To avoid plagiarism in writing paper or our dissertation project, we should cite any data other than data that we achieved ourselves. Citation means that we mention the author of the data or who owns the data. EndNote is a software that do the citation for us easily in Word. When we install the EndNote, the add-in can be added to the add-in of the Words, which is the subject of this tutorial. Let's start with the settings that should be done in the Google Chrome that for us to import the citation to the EndNote and then from EndNote to the Microsoft Word. So first we go to the scholar.google.com and then at the top left side go to the setting, then go to the bibliography manager and choose the option show links to import citation into and choose the EndNote and save it. Now we start searching, for example, wind turbine. When you choose the paper you want to use in your dissertation project, you can see the blue option below the paper name. Click on Import to EndNote to download the citation. When the download is completed, then click on the downloaded file. It automatically open with the EndNote and imported in the EndNote. Click on the downloaded reference on the EndNote. Go to the Word file and place the cursor on where you want to insert the citation. For example, at the end of the paragraph that we write from the selected paper, from the downloaded paper. Then go to the EndNote tab and select the reference that your university said you should write according to that. For Kingston University, for example, it's Harvard. Then click on Insert Citation. And choose Insert Selected Citation. It inserts the reference at the end of the paragraph that you place the cursor and automatically insert in the bibliography at the end of the Word document. Sometimes we don't want to do the citation at the end of the paragraph and we want to mention the author in text. For example, we want to say according to the author. Again, choose the Insert Citation in the EndNote tab, but this time choose Insert Citation instead of Insert Selected Citation. Here type the name of the author or the subject of the paper for the reference that you download the citation. Click on Find and then choose the reference you want to insert. And select the first option, insert and display as author and year in parentheses. Same as before, it insert the citation in text and also at the end of the Word document in the bibliography. If we use data from other places than Google Scholar, for example, we searched on the Google engine or we use a data from a book or a journal or a report, then we should collect all the data from the author, year, and as much as data we can get for that data we to use in our paper and insert it manually in the EndNote so we can use the EndNote to insert the citation in our paper. For example, here I use the Wikipedia's website for the wind turbine. I open the EndNote and click on new reference. I should now find the data from the website and insert it to the EndNote. For example, I don't know the author. It doesn't mention in the Wikipedia, so I just write Wikipedia as the author, and the year it's updated, which I can find it at the end of the page. So I insert the date. I insert the title, which was wind turbine. Just before go further, at first we should choose the reference type, which is web page here, not a journal. Other data that I have now is the access year and access date. And finally, copy the website address and paste it in the URL. Then choose close, and here it asks if you want to save this reference, and choose yes. Now the reference is added to the library of the EndNote, and I can click and choose the reference on the EndNote and click on the place in the Microsoft Word that I want to insert this reference. I can insert the citation as explained before. Just pay attention that each time that you delete a citation in the Microsoft Word, it takes time to delete it from the in-text and also the bibliography at the end of the Microsoft Word. Here I show both ways, inserting reference at the end of the paragraph and also use the citation with according to.